All right, guys, today we are making a basically paleo In-N-Out burger, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by making our sauce, which is honestly like I could bathe in this sauce. So we're going to do our tamari, we're going to do all of our dry seasonings, and then we're going to add in our mayo and our paleo ketchup and some pickle juice. While you're doing this, make sure you're cooking your burger patties. So I just like to cook mine in an air fryer for 8 minutes at 350, but you can do it whatever way you want to. And we're just going to mix all of our sauce together. And once it's all mixed, it's going to look like this. There is a lot of sauce, so I used it to dip my sweet potato fries in as well. Then we're going to slice up our tomatoes. We're going to dice up our red onions, and we're going to take our piece of lettuce and add our burger patty to it. And then we're just going to top it with all of our ingredients. So we're going to add in our sauce, we're going to add our tomatoes, we're going to add our pickles, our onions, and our avocado, and that's it. It is messy just because it is like a runnier sauce, but it was so delicious and so worth it. If you guys make this video, let me know what you think. Like, rate, subscribe. We'll have more recipes coming out. All of the macros will be put in the description below. And bon appetit, y'all.